Day is a special day. It's a day filled with joy, laughter, and endless fun. Children from all walks of life come together to celebrate their uniqueness and the joy they bring to the world. It's a day where every child feels special and appreciated. It's a day just for kids. A day where they can be carefree, play to their heart's content, and enjoy the simple pleasures of life. From games and activities to delicious treats and surprises, Children's Day is all about making kids feel on top of the world. We celebrate it every year. It's a tradition that brings families and communities together. Parents, teachers, and caregivers all join in to make this day memorable for the little ones. It's a time to reflect on the importance of childhood and the role it plays in shaping our future. It's a time to celebrate how awesome kids are. Their energy, curiosity, and innocence remind us of the beauty of life. On this day, we shower them with love, gifts, and attention, making sure they know just how special they are. We remember how important children are to the world. They are the future leaders, innovators, and caretakers of our planet. By celebrating Children's Day, we acknowledge their potential and the bright future they hold. Children's Day reminds us to protect children. It's a call to action for everyone to ensure that every child grows up in a safe and nurturing environment. We must stand up against any form of abuse or neglect and advocate for their rights and well-being. All children deserve to be safe and happy. They should be free to explore, learn, and grow without fear. It's our responsibility to create a world where every child feels secure and valued. They should have good food, nutritious meals that help them grow strong and healthy. Access to healthy food is a fundamental right for every child, and it's essential for their physical and mental development. A safe place to live, and lots of love. A loving and supportive home environment is crucial for a child's well-being. It's where they learn, play, and develop the confidence to face the world. On Children's Day, let's commit to providing every child with the love and care they deserve. We celebrate Children's Day to show love to all children. It's a day to play games, sing songs, and have fun. We want every child to feel special and loved. Children are our future. They grow up to do amazing things. They become doctors, teachers, artists, and more. We need to take care of them and help them grow. You can have lots of fun at home on Children's Day. You can bake cookies with your family. You can read your favorite book together. You can even have a picnic in your backyard. Remember to tell your family how much you love them. Give them big hugs and kisses. Children's Day is about spending time with the people you love. Drawing is fun. Today, let's draw a picture of our family for Children's Day. It will be a special gift for everyone. You can use crayons, markers, or colored pencils. Use your favorite colors to make your picture bright and cheerful. Section 5. Starting our drawing adventure. Today, we embark on a fun and creative journey where we will learn how to draw together. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this adventure is for everyone. So grab your paper and pencils, and let's get started. First, let's draw the outline of each person. This is the foundation of our drawing. Start by imagining the person you want to draw. Think about their pose and how they might be standing or sitting. You can draw circles for heads and lines for bodies. These simple shapes will help you map out the proportions and positions of the different parts of the body. Don't worry about making it perfect. This is just the beginning. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect. The beauty of drawing is that it's a process, and every step is important. Mistakes are just opportunities to learn and improve. Plus, imperfections can add character to your drawings. The most important thing is to have fun. Drawing is a wonderful way to express yourself and let your imagination run wild. Enjoy the process and don't be afraid to experiment with different ideas and techniques. Next, let's add some details. Once you have the basic outline, you can start to flesh out your drawing. Think about the features that make each person unique. Draw eyes, noses, and mouths. These features bring your characters to life. Pay attention to the shapes and sizes of these features. Are the eyes big and round or small and narrow? Is the nose long or short? Don't forget to add hair. Hair can be a lot of fun to draw because there are so many different styles and textures you can experiment with. You can make it long or short, curly or straight. Think about how the hair moves and flows. Is it wavy, spiky, or smooth? Adding these details will make your drawings more dynamic and interesting. Now let's add some color to our drawings. Coloring is a great way to bring your artwork to life. You can use crayons, markers, colored pencils, or any other coloring tools you like. Think about the colors that best represent your characters and their personalities. Experiment with different shades and blending techniques. You can create depth and dimension by layering colors and adding highlights and shadows. Don't be afraid to mix colors and see what new shades you can create. Finally, take a moment to admire your finished drawing. You've put in a lot of effort and creativity, and now you have a unique piece of art to show for it. Share your drawing with your family and friends and be proud of what you've accomplished. You can even create a mini art gallery at home by displaying your drawings on a wall or a bulletin board. This way, you can see your progress over time and celebrate your artistic journey. Drawing can also be a collaborative activity. Invite your family and friends to join you in creating a big group drawing. Each person can add their own unique touch, and together, you can create something truly special. Remember, the goal is to have fun and enjoy the process. Drawing is a wonderful way to relax, unwind, and connect with others. So keep practicing, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep having fun. When you're done, don't forget to clean up your drawing supplies. Keeping your workspace tidy will make it easier to start your next drawing adventure. Plus, it's a good habit to develop as an artist. Thank you for joining us on this drawing adventure. We hope you had as much fun as we did. Keep drawing, keep creating, and we'll see you next time for another exciting art journey. Goodbye for now. Section 6. Adding details to our family. This is where we bring our family drawings to life by adding all the little details that make them unique and special. Now, let's give everyone clothes. Think about what each family member likes to wear. Maybe your mom loves wearing dresses, or your dad prefers a comfy t-shirt and jeans. You can draw shirts, pants, dresses, or anything you like. Remember, clothes can tell a lot about a person. Is your brother always in his favorite superhero costume? Or does your sister love her polka dot dress? Add buttons, zippers, and other small details to make your drawing even more detailed. Think about the little things that make each piece of clothing unique. Maybe your dad's shirt has a pocket where he keeps his pen, or your mom's dress has a beautiful pattern, and pockets to make your drawing even more detailed. Pockets can be fun to draw and can add a lot of character to your family members. Imagine what they might keep in their pockets. Don't forget to add some background details. The background can tell a story about where your family is and what they are doing. Are they in the living room watching TV, or outside in the garden playing with the dog? Maybe your family is at the park, at the beach, or having a picnic under a big tree. Think about the places your family loves to go and the activities you enjoy doing together, or even in outer space. Let your imagination run wild. Maybe your family is on a grand adventure, exploring new planets and meeting aliens. The sky is the limit. Use your imagination and have fun with it. Drawing is all about expressing yourself and having a good time. Don't worry about making it perfect. The most important thing is to enjoy the process and create something that makes you happy. Look at all the wonderful details you've added. Each drawing is unique and tells a special story about your family. Share your drawings with your friends and family and see what stories they have to tell. Display your drawings proudly. You can hang them on the wall, put them on the fridge, or even create a special gallery in your room. Every time you look at them, you'll be reminded of the fun you had creating them. Remember, drawing is a wonderful way to express your creativity and share your ideas with the world. Keep practicing, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep having fun. Great job, everyone! Your drawings are amazing, and you've done a fantastic job adding all those special details. Keep up the great work and continue to let your creativity shine. Section 7. Coloring our masterpiece. Now comes the best part, coloring. Use your favorite colors to bring your family portrait to life. You can color everyone's clothes, hair, and skin. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors. You can even mix colors together to create new shades. Make your drawing as colorful and unique as your family. Section 8. Sharing the love on Children's Day. When you're finished with your drawing, share it with your family. They will love to see your artwork and how much you care. You can also give your drawing as a gift. Put it in a frame or make it into a card. It's a special way to show your love on Children's Day. Section 9. Children's Day Songs and Rhymes. Let's sing a Children's Day song. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Singing songs and saying rhymes is a fun way to celebrate. You can also make up your own songs and rhymes. Use your imagination and have fun with it. Section 10. Making a special Children's Day card. Let's make a Children's Day card. You can use construction paper, markers, and glitter. Cut out shapes and glue them onto your card. Write a special message inside your card. Tell your family how much you love them and how happy you are to celebrate Children's Day with them. Section 11. Remembering the importance of Children's Day. Children's Day is a special day to celebrate all the wonderful children in the world. It's a day to play, have fun, and show love to our families. Let's remember to be kind to each other and make the world a better place for all children. Happy Children's Day.